First of all, how is my hair? Is it perfect? Thank you. The other night, in an unfortunate incident, I did manage to overcook the 2 ribeye steaks. So tonight, Joe has told me that I am in charge of the broccoli, and he will take care of the meats. That being said, welcome to my cooking video, starring the sexy kitchen robot and me, but mostly the sexy kitchen robot. I did not film the first step because I am bad at this, but I made a bowl of tinfoil to put into the air fryer because that's what Joe told me to do. He then told me to put the broccoli in the bowl of tinfoil. Now we will air fry for 20 minutes at, how do I change the temperature? Oh yeah, at 340 degrees. We've got 20 minutes to kill. I was thinking about telling you a story in the meantime, but that's not enough time for me to tell a story. So I am going to tell you this broccoli is going to be legit. Anthony Bourdain would be like incredibly impressed if he was here right now. You can't just walk away and not do anything, obviously. Run a plastic fork through there a couple of times. Stir it up. Making sure that all of the broccolis that were in here are now in a different spot. Back to work, ninja. Sometimes when you check on it, you don't just stir it around. Sometimes you put cheese on it. We're almost done. Now for the extraction. Oh, that's actually really hot. Oh, wow. It doesn't really fit in this bowl, but I forced it. Now we will take it to Joe and see if it passes inspection.
Did you put the broccoli up? That's not how I do it. Sometimes when I'm really hungry, I always eat the cheese right off the tinfoil. And then sometimes when I'm not hungry, I'll still do it. That time I got a little more tinfoil than I had cheese. And it's really wreaking havoc on my fillings right now, to be honest. Like that nerve pain that goes right to your brain. Less than ideal, however, we persevere. That is not how I do it, but it is busting.
There you have it. I'm really good at this. Thank you.